Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from Pic-Time, and here I'll show you one of the most exciting parts of our Pic-Time 2.0 launch, our next-gen album designer. This new AI-powered album creator helps clients turn their favorite photos into a beautiful, story-driven album in seconds, directly from their gallery. From photo curation to complete layout design, Pic-Time now makes album creation easier and faster than ever for both you and your clients. Let's jump into the shop and see how it looks. Clients can now scroll through a vivid presentation of the album in videos and images, and then chooses the size, cover type, and color in this new dynamic preview section. In Pic-Time 2.0, we've introduced a special feature for the wedding albums, the Automatic Album Designer, which uses clients' preferences, such as any important people they want to include in the album, important moments, and we'll pick our photos, and the album layout style, and ta-da! Our AI automatically generates a beautiful personal album draft in minutes, arranging photos by the content and color, and ensuring maximum coverage of all the key moments. This feature is available on the wedding galleries only for our advanced plan users with the AI enabled. Now in our new album editor, clients can adjust the draft to fit their taste. This editor introduces powerful tools that makes the album editing easier than ever. There's a new photo panel where clients can easily view their gallery images using the AI search tool, the scenes in the gallery, or by looking through their own collections. They can then drag and drop photos directly into the album. Clients can also explore different layout options based on the number of photos, and then of course crop images to fit their design. With this new mirror feature, they can instantly flip the layout on any spread. Clients can replace photos also from this album overview, or they can change a spread location. There's also an easy undo and redo button to revert any past changes. And before the client adds the album to their cart, our system then checks it and alerts them of anything they may need to address, like missing text or blank pages. Album orders are fulfilled automatically by our lab partners, providing clients with a beautiful physical album. The new album designer with all of these capabilities is also fully available for clients on their phones, with the same intuitive experience. The new album designer in Pic-Time 2.0 is fast, smart, and enjoyable, and is sure to improve album sales through the gallery.